Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a WWE themed chip bag, and of course, like I tell you, if you guys are stumped or you are looking for ideas or inspiration, always go to Google and type in, invitations. Whatever your theme is, an invitation. So this was the WWE invitation that stood out to me. It wasn't really too many um like too many different kinds, and I didn't want to just put like one person on here because this was a requested video. I'm not really sure what they were really looking for, so I think I'm just going to keep it simple. But as always, the pictures and images will be on my Patreon page. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I have no idea where I'm going. Okay, the background is black, but I do not want um I don't want just a plain background. You might hear my husband. He's in the basement, but he sounds like he is right there. Alright, so I'm just going to try to crop this down to the size that I need it to be. A little bit. Let me see. Alright, now can you see this on here? Yeah, okay. I was kind of afraid you weren't going to be able to see it, but you actually can. So I'm going to bring more smoke. I'm going to go ahead and crop this picture some more, just so the smoke can really show through. Okay. And then I can make this one, I can make this bigger. Okay, so what else do it look like? Let me see. Okay, then it's got some stars. But of course the stars that I was that I could find were yellow. So let's go ahead and change the color. So to do that, we go to make sure your picture's clicked on, go to format, go to recolor, and yeah, just I'm going down to more variations. That way I can change it to white. Now, was this all the way through? Yeah, this was all the way. Okay. So I might need to copy. Let me copy this and paste it. And bring it down just, nope, bring it back up. All right, there we go. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so let's see what else. Okay, the belt. Oh man, I moved the wrong picture. Now, I'm doing the belt this big just because I noticed that they have the number inside of theirs. So if I wanted to try to do that, I could go to insert, go to shapes, and let's go ahead and try to blur this out, what they got. It's kind of too big. Let's go up a little bit. Alright, that looks good. Let's shape fill. Do it in black. Alright, but it looks like I'm going down a little bit too far on the bottom. Alright, now let's go to insert, shapes. Let's get that, we need to get that little triangle piece at the bottom. So I'm gonna try a triangle, but if not, yeah, I'm gonna try this. Let's see. Ooh, no, not that triangle. I don't want you. Insert shapes. Can you bring your booty over here? See, that's too pointy. I mean, we could use it, but goodness. Okay, what other shape do we got over here? Let's try this, I guess. And then you pretty much just keep stretching it. Okay, that's one way you could do it. I'm not going to do all that, but it's there. Okay, so I'm trying to move the wrong image again. Gosh darn it. Just give me the belt. Okay. The belt. I would like the belt, please. Goodness. Okay, let's insert. Let's get a border going because the chip bag really don't look like nothing until you get a border. Alright. Shape fill. Of course I'm going with red. Y'all know that. No outline. Take the outline off. Copy. Let's paste that down here. Alright, let's insert shapes. Wait, nope. Let's just paste what we already did. Now let's make this blue. A little bit darker though. Copy, paste. Then for the back, yeah, let's go ahead and use this for the back. And then you just push back. And then that, I gotta crop it. Come on, what is going on? Y'all, I swear, that's why you don't let your kids on your laptop. Because when you go to use it, everything just screws up. Alright, format, crop. My husband must be losing, you guys. Alright. Okay. We finally got something. Alright. Oh, and I was actually able to download some wrestling font. So let's see what that looks like. Now, one of them was like a really weird name. Where would that be at? Alright, anywho, let's just go down to the wrestling one. WrestleMania. I also had some logos. I'm gonna have to look at the logos. Ooh, no outline. Alright. Hold on, you guys. I'm about to get some more images. I'm not really liking the way this bag is coming out. You guys, so I'm back and I downloaded just 2 more images. I wasn't really feeling this belt too much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slide that off. Now I'm going to bring this on over here. Come on. Lord have mercy, I'm telling you, my kids done jacked up my laptop. Alright, that's not looking too bad. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. Okay. Yeah, I definitely like that a whole lot better. It's bringing the chip bag to life now. Okay. I think it's a lot of red. So let me try to reverse it and put the blue here. And maybe make this the red. Okay, now let's change this. Ooh, goodness, no, no, no. No, can't do that. Nope, can't do that either. Alright, what about the blue? Nope, terrible. Yellow? Oh, Jesus Christ, nope. Alright, back to what? What color was it? Black? Alright, back to black. Alright, I'm much happier with this. And then we're going to bring this belt, put this belt on the back. My husband be in his own little world on that game, I swear. Alright, now let's go on here and see if we can find some quotes. Oh goodness. Is there a quote? Let's get ready to rumble. Of course. Okay. Let's insert. Oh my Jesus. My husband is just too much. Okay. Oh my. If y'all can hear his exact words, I apologize, y'all. He is into it. Okay, so let's get ready to rumble. Insert more words. Thanks so much for coming out to. Thanks so much for coming out to celebrate with us. Why are my words flipped? I'm gonna have to get me a new laptop, you guys. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. I think I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm done. Okay, yep, that's what I got. Okay, so that is my take on the WWE themed chip bag. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, the images and everything will be on the Patreon page. And I will see you guys very soon.